Oisín, the poet-warrior of the Fianna. Test your knowledge of Oisín, the legendary son of Fionn mac Cumhaill, and his journey between myth and time. Who was Oisín's father? What animal was Sod transformed into? Where did Oisín travel with Nia? What happened when Oisín returned to Ireland? What did Niam give Oisín? What was the name of Oisín's horse? How long did Oisín spend in Tir na Nog? What group did Oisín belong to? Who was Oisín's greatest rival? What skill was Oisín famous for? What did Oisín warn the monks about? What legend says Oisín met St. Patrick? Who led the Fianna before Oisín's time? What battle did Oisín fight in? Who was Oisín's wife? What did the Fianna value most? The echoes of Oisín's poetry and battles still live on. Thank you for stepping into the world of Irish myth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.